Hi there, Christy Russ here, the Maverick Pharmacist, Functional Medicine Health Coach. So today I just wanted to quickly uh, clarify something about my new High Five home study program. It is not just for weight loss. Works great for that. For me, everything's always about health. Okay, so that's what it is. If energy, like weight loss is the number one thing I talk to people about, which I mentioned in my videos before. But having low energy is the second most common thing I talk about. And this program is completely designed for that purpose as well, because I deal with it so often. Okay, so, and it's because you're learning how to work with your body rather than against it. Okay, so because if you're eating the wrong foods for your body, if you're doing the wrong exercise for your body, if you're not getting enough sleep, if you're under too much stress, whether it's physical or mental, and I'm not done with all my stress videos, so I'll be talking about that before or next time. If you're not getting the right amount of nutrients into your body for whatever reason, if you're being exposed to a bunch of toxins, if your hormones aren't in balance, all of those things will cause inflammation. And hey, guess what? Inflammation just sucks the energy out of you, okay? Because, it takes a lot of energy for your body to kind of deal with all of that inflammation. It's like it's just constantly putting out all of these little fires that are going on. And hey, guess what? When that happens, your energy and your body's repairing itself instead, your energy just skyrockets, honestly. Even some of the things you're eating and stuff can affect how you're sleeping. Like, it's amazing how it all is just interconnected, okay? And that's where the functional medicine part of it comes in, and that's why it works so well. Because, sometimes you only have to fix the one or two things, and hey, guess what? Everything else magically gets fixed. So find out the right information of that. Well, I deal with all of those issues and you'll learn all of that stuff in the High Five program. And like I said, it's a total home study thing. You go at your own pace. I specialize in making things really simple to do and so that they're really sustainable. So if having low energy is one of those things where you're like, oh my God, I couldn't possibly do one other thing, right? I totally get that, because you feel like you're, busy and you don't have energy to do what you're already doing, and just to do a program on top of it just seems too daunting. Like I said, it's super simple. It's designed to be just little baby steps. You can do, one thing at a time, but at least you're moving forward, right? Even if you only manage to get through one part of it in a month, but you take that month to implement things, every little day you're just going to move that much further. And hey, guess what? In 4 or 5 months, you're going to be feeling fabulous, right? So just make the decision to step forward. That's really all you do. Because if you're not doing anything, it's not going to get any better, right? What is that definition of insanity or something, of doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results, right? Anyway, so yes, just wanted to clarify that for the program. If you're looking for energy, this is one of those things that people usually do the month, 2 months maximum, like I said, depending how quickly you go. But in the group program, where we were going through stuff every couple of weeks, usually by the end of the month, 6 weeks, their energy levels were way up there, sleeping better, all of that kind of stuff. So that's what you can expect from it. Learn more about it at my website, ChristyRussHealthCoaching.com. And there's a tab there that says coaching, the online home study program, and you'll find out all about it, and you can register for it and everything there. So hope to see you there. All right, talk next time. Stress.